Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Binance Smart Chain. This is actually pretty easy. First you're going to be make sure that you have Binance and Coinbase Wallet. So I'm going to be heading over to my Coinbase Wallet. Once we are there, you can see we have three different options of buy, swap and cash out, and in the wallet section you can see we have add crypto option and we have multiple options in here. So yeah, to connect, basically what you need to do here is you can see we have this option of QR code, and this is going to be used to simply send crypto and stuff. So a connection is made when you transfer your balances or tokens between two different exchanges. Like for example, we have our Binance and Trust Wallet. So the only way to connect is going to be using the addresses that are available on both of these exchanges to transfer your tokens in between them, and directly there is no as such option to connect your wallet. So you can also add and manage wallets in here. You can see we have different wallets that we can create inside Coinbase. But yeah, so that is going to be the only way, using the addresses, the token addresses, to share your token.